pinaka-affordable na single attached sa Dasmariñas, Cavite. No spot down payment for as low as 13,000 monthly. Ito na nga ang pinaka-affordable na single attached sa Dasmariñas, Cavite at presyong townhouse lang. Kaya naman kung interesado ka, don't skip this video. This is Pao Pipito, your home search buddy. Very accessible to Manila at few minutes drive nga lang ito sa SM Dasma at Robinson Palapala. Approximately 30 minutes drive lang ito going to Tagaytay. Napakaganda nga ng location ito dahil malapit tayo sa schools, worship area, markets, malls, hospitals at marami pang iba. Meron itong minimum lot size na 58 square meters, kaya naman may provision ka for one carport at meron pa tayong extra lot dito sa side at sa service area na pwede mong gamitin for future home expansion. Ang floor area nito ay 44.5 square meters, kaya naman may spacious tayo na living